What's up, guys? Super hot in the garage, so I'm here, new video. Welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, turn the notification bell on, and as you saw on the short the other day, I got a TV and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Before I do it, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and enjoy the time lapse. Let's ride. What? TV with wheels? This is different. Let's put this thing together.
Prepárate! Let me see you jump! Prepárate! Get ready! Get! Brinca! Ahí va allá! Todo el mundo! Let me see you jump! Brinca! Ahí va allá! Brinca! Let me see you jump! Brinca! Brinca! Ahí va allá! Todo el mundo! Let me see you jump!
Well, that's the unwrapping and setting up. I'm not gonna put in the pedals yet because, as you know, I like my own pedals. Then I'm gonna do the adjustment and everything on off camera. That way you don't have to watch that. It's pretty simple. By the way, if you guessed it on at the beginning or whatever, this is a Poseidon Redwood bike that I got from direct consumer, kind of like the Polygon does. It's a direct consumer brand. I got it online. It got here pretty darn quick. And if you're asking, but you already got the mongoose grid, what's up with this? Stay tuned because something's happening. And if I am gonna do a comparison video. Stay tuned for that. And on the next video, I'm gonna go over all the components and everything that comes with this, although you can kind of get an idea if you go to their website and look them up, but it's pretty well built. I gotta say, it is pretty damn well built, and that's why I got this. Again, if you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so. If you're back, please give like this video. Also turn the notification bell on, that way you don't miss the future content on this bike. No, I'm not gonna do 100% gravel. My mountain bikes are my priority. And but if you're into this is new to me. So I know this is a lot of you guys might be going through the same thing, that you're kind of like itching into getting into gravel biking, things like that. And this might give you a little bit of. These are all my opinions, by the way. If you're hating, there's nothing I can do about that. These are all my opinions. I like the way this bike looks, and we're gonna go over everything on the following video. That's it for now. I hope you like the unwrapping. By the way, they do wrap it like that. It's kind of like a TV box, and I guess that kind of helps with delivering because there's not a single dent on this box, and I have not found anything wrong with the bike whatsoever. They do offer this in 2 colors. I don't have affiliates for them yet, but if I do, they will be down in the description below. So if you're interested in this bike and I was able to get affiliate with them, there will be a link in the description below. So check them out. Other than that, that's it for today. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.